$5,000? Bob, look at this screen. This is robbery.
Whoa, Sophia. Hello to you too. What is happening? Why are you shouting?
I am looking at a course for advanced art history. I really want to study it, but look at the tuition. It is $5,000 for one semester.
Ah, I see. That is expensive. But first, for our listeners, tuition is the money you pay to a school or university for your classes.
Yes, the price of the classes. It is too high. I cannot pay this, Bob. I am completely broke.
Oh dear. Let me explain that word. To be broke is a slang word. It means you have zero money. You are empty-handed.
Exactly. I am broke. So I guess I cannot study. End of story.
Not necessarily, Sophia. You don't always need your money to study. Today we are going to talk about how to study with other people's money.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sophia class. I am Sophia, and I am very interested in spending other people's money.
Hello everyone, I'm Bob, and today we are talking about a very important topic for students, scholarships.
Okay, Bob, you said the magic word, scholarship. It sounds fancy. What exactly does it mean?
A scholarship is an amount of money given to a student to pay for their education, and the best part? It is free money.
Free? Wait, is it like a loan? Do I have to pay it back later?
No, Sophia, that's the difference. A loan is money you borrow and must pay back to the bank. A scholarship is a gift. You do not pay it back.
I love gifts. Okay, this sounds perfect. But Bob, usually free money is only for geniuses, right? Like Einstein?
Not at all. There are many types of scholarships. You don't have to be a genius.
Okay, listeners, are you ready to save money? Let's learn how to get this free money. Okay, Bob, you say I can get money, but usually schools only want students with perfect A grades. My grades are, well, mostly Bs, sometimes a C in math.
That is a common myth. What you're talking about is a merit-based scholarship.
Merit-based. That means the money is given because of your skills or success, right? Like getting high grades.
Exactly. For these, schools look at your academic history and your GPA.
GPA, that stands for grade point average, correct? It is the average number of all your grades combined.
Yes, if you have a high GPA, you can get a merit scholarship. But Sophia, there is another type. It's called a need-based scholarship.
Need-based? Does that mean it is based on needing money?
Correct. These scholarships are for students who have financial difficulties. They look at your bank account, not just your grades. If you are broke, like you said earlier, you might qualify.
Hooray! Being broke is finally a good thing, so I can get a need-based scholarship.
Probably. But there are also scholarships for specific talents, sports, music, art, even for specific groups of people. For example, women in science.
Is there a scholarship for teachers who love pizza?
I doubt it. But there is one more important thing. Some scholarships are a full ride and some are partial.
A full ride? That sounds like a roller coaster. What does it mean?
A full ride is an idiom. It means the scholarship pays for everything, tuition, books, and even your housing. It covers 100% of the cost.
Wow, that is the dream. And partial obviously means they pay only a part of the cost, like 50%.
Exactly. Even a partial scholarship helps. $500 is better than $0.
You are right. Okay, so I know what I want. I want a full ride, need-based scholarship. But how do I get it? Do I just call them and say, give me money?
Definitely not. You have to go through the application process. And honestly, Sophia, it requires a lot of paperwork.
Paperwork. I hate that word. It sounds boring and difficult. Okay, Bob, what exactly do I need to send them? Just my name and address?
I wish it was that simple. No, Sophia. A scholarship application is a formal package. First, you need your academic transcript.
Transcript? Is that like a script for a movie? Or the text of this podcast?
No, in the university world, a transcript is an official document from your school. It lists every class you took and every grade you received.
Ah, I see. So it is my official history of grades. Okay, I can ask my school for that. What is next?
Next, you usually need 2 or 3 recommendation letters.
Recommendation letters. That is a long phrase. What does it mean?
It is a letter written by someone else, usually a teacher or a boss, that describes your character and skills. It tells the scholarship committee why you are a good student.
Can I ask my mom to write it? She thinks I am amazing.
No, Sophia. It must be professional. It cannot be a family member. It should be a professor or an employer.
Okay, no moms allowed. Got it. Is that all?
Usually, they also want a resume or CV.
I know that word. A resume is a one-page document that lists your work experience and education, right? Like when you look for a job.
Correct. They want to see if you do volunteer work or have other skills. But Sophia, having the documents is not enough. You must respect the deadline.
Deadline. That word sounds scary. It has the word dead in it.
It is the most important rule. The deadline is the final date and time you can submit your application. If the deadline is January 1st at 5 p.m. and you send it at 5:01 p.m., you are rejected.
1 minute late and they reject me?
Yes, computers are strict, so you must be organized. Do not wait until the last minute.
Okay, transcript, recommendation letters, resume, and strict deadlines. It is a lot of work, Bob.
It is work, but remember, the result is thousands of dollars of free money. It's worth the effort.
True, $5,000 is good motivation. But Bob, I heard there is one more thing, the hardest part, the writing part.
Ah, yes, the scholarship essay. That is where most students fail.
The essay? I am terrible at writing about myself. I feel shy. What do they want me to write? Hello, I am Sophia. I like cats and I need money?
Definitely not. The essay, sometimes called the personal statement, is your chance to speak directly to the judges. It is a short story about who you are.
A story about me. But Bob, my life is boring. I go to work, I go home. What story can I tell?
Everyone has a story. The secret is, don't just list your achievements. They already see your grades in the transcript. In the essay, you must show your passion.
Passion. That means a strong feeling of love or enthusiasm for something, right?
Yes. For example, why do you want to study art history?
Oh, because art tells the history of human emotions. When I see a painting from 500 years ago, I feel connected to the past. It changes how I see the world today. I want to teach that feeling to others.
Boom. That. Did you hear your voice, Sophia? You sounded excited. You sounded passionate. That is what you write in the essay.
Really? Just my feelings?
Your feelings and your goals. Connect your past to your future. Tell them about a challenge you faced.
A challenge. That means a difficult situation or a problem I had to solve.
Exactly. Scholarship committees love stories about overcoming challenges. It shows you are strong. For example, maybe you worked a job while studying, or you helped your community.
Well, last year I organized a free art class for kids in my neighborhood who couldn't afford school. It was hard to find supplies, but we did it.
Sophia, that is perfect. That shows leadership and kindness. That is a winning essay topic.
Wow, I didn't think that was important. I thought they only cared about test scores.
No, they invest in people, not just numbers. So show them the real Sophia. Be honest, be specific, and proofread your writing.
Proofread? What does that mean?
To proofread means to read your text carefully to find and correct mistakes in spelling or grammar. A messy essay looks lazy.
Okay, no spelling mistakes. I would ask you to proofread it for me, Bob.
I would be happy to help.
Okay, Bob, I am ready. I have my transcript, I have my story about the art class, and I am ready to write. But where do I find these scholarships? Do I just Google free money, please?
You can try, but you will find a lot of scams. You need to look in the right places.
Scams. Oh, that is a scary word. A scam is a dishonest plan to steal your money or information, right?
Exactly. Be careful. Never pay money to apply for a scholarship. Legitimate scholarships are free to apply for.
Good tip. No paying. So where do I look?
The first place is the university website. Every university has a financial aid page.
Financial aid. That means money to help pay for college. Got it. I will check the school's website first. Where else?
Look at local organizations. In your city, there are clubs, religious groups, or big companies that give money to students.
Really? Like the supermarket or the local bank?
Yes, local scholarships are easier to win because there's less competition.
Competition. That means the other people who are trying to win the same prize. So fewer people apply locally, so I have a better chance.
Exactly. And finally, use reputable search engines designed for scholarships. There are big websites that list thousands of opportunities.
Okay, so university website, local groups, and specialized websites, and stay away from scams.
You got it. It takes time to search, but remember, it's like a part-time job. If you spend 10 hours searching and win $1,000, you earned $100 per hour.
Whoa, when you say it like that, I want to start searching right now. Okay, Bob. I feel much better. I search, I apply, I write my passionate essay, and boom, I get the money. Then I can relax and party, right?
Hold on, Sophia. Not so fast. Getting the scholarship is step 1. Keeping it is step 2.
Keeping it? Can they take it back? Like, just kidding, give us the money.
Yes, they can. Most scholarships are conditional. That means you must meet certain rules. Usually, you must maintain a high GPA.
Oh, so if I get lazy and my grades drop, I lose the money.
Correct. Also, check if the scholarship is renewable.
Renewable. That means I can get it again next year, right?
Yes, some scholarships are one-time awards for just 1 year, but a renewable scholarship gives you money every year for 4 years, if your grades are good.
Okay, so I must study hard even after I win. Got it. But Bob, what if I don't win? What if I get a rejection letter?
Rejection. That is when they say no. It happens to everyone, Sophia. Even the best students get rejected.
It feels terrible. It makes me want to quit.
Do not quit. It is a numbers game. If you apply for 10 scholarships, maybe you win 1, and that 1 is enough. You must be persistent.
Persistent. That means continuing to try, even when it is difficult, like not giving up?
Exactly. Don't give up. Learn from the no and keep applying.
Okay, I will be persistent. I will apply for 10, no, 20 scholarships. I will be the queen of scholarships.
That is the spirit. Now I think you are ready. But before you go, let's make sure you remember all these important words. Okay, friends, we have covered a mountain of information today. Let's review the key vocabulary to make sure you are ready to apply.
Yes, let's do it. I have my notebook ready. Quiz me, Bob.
First, the most basic word. What is the difference between a scholarship and a loan?
Easy. A scholarship is free money, a gift for education. A loan is money you borrow and must pay back to the bank. We like scholarships. We hate loans.
Correct. Next, tuition.
Tuition is the price you pay to the school for your classes.
Good. Now, what is a transcript?
Transcript is the official list of your grades from school.
And a recommendation letter?
That is a letter from a teacher or boss, not your mom, that says good things about you.
Very important. Deadline.
The deadline is the final date to send your application. If you miss it, you are out.
Correct. And what about the essay? What is the secret ingredient?
The secret is passion. You must tell a story about a challenge you overcame, not just list your grades.
Perfect. And two more. What does full ride mean?
A full ride means the scholarship pays for everything, 100% of the cost, the dream.
And finally, what does renewable mean?
Renewable means you can get the scholarship money again next year if your grades stay high.
Sophia, I am impressed. You are now an expert on scholarships.
Thank you, Bob. I feel ready. I'm not scared of the paperwork anymore.
And to our listeners, we hope you feel ready too. Remember, there's billions of dollars in scholarship money available every year. Some of it could be yours.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. And here's our challenge for you. In the comments, tell us, what is your dream job? What do you want to study?
We love reading your stories. Write them in English.
Also, if you liked this episode, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also broke.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Good luck with your applications. Be persistent.
Bye, everyone. I have to go now.
Where are you going, Sophia?
I am going to find a rich person and ask for a recommendation letter. Wish me luck.
Oh, Sophia. Goodbye, everyone.